What's up? What's going on, Smart Money Nation? I am back at you with another video. This particular video is for my people building personal credit. As you know, I've been going over how to how to efficiently build your personal credit step by step and not just kind of throwing everything at you. Right now, we've been talking about a lot of the fintech companies and the fintech cards they've been offering that are much more efficient than the secure deposit credit cards. We'll get into those in the next couple videos, but for now, we're going to stick with some of the fintech credit cards that allow you to get access to a decent amount of credit lines without depositing a security deposit. And without the best credit, right? So I got another one for you guys today. If you are not subscribed to the channel, as always, please hit that red subscribe button, join the Smart Money Nation. If you are subscribed, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video, and like the video. If you get some value out of my videos, please hit the like button, share it with somebody that you do value, help the channel grow. I appreciate that. But yeah, let's get started. So today we're gonna talk about Jasper. Okay, we're gonna talk about the Jasper card. Jasper is another fintech platform / company, just like Tomo, Grain, and we talked about a few other ones that allows you to get access to a credit line based on your banking history, your bank account history, and how you use your bank account, how much is in your bank account, your savings account. They use that. They lean on that more than they lean on your credit score or credit profile, and that allows them to give you whatever credit limit that they do give you is really based on your your transaction history and your actual bank balance. So I mean, for this portion of building your credit, I really I highly recommend that you put a decent amount of money in your bank, and then have money coming in, and try to be do a little better with your spending. Don't spend all while ridiculously. Have your bank accounts zero here and there. Don't do that. Just leave a balance in your account. It's going to help you get access to high limit credit cards, higher limit credit cards. I'm not going to say high limit credit cards with these fintech companies. And the great thing about a lot of these companies is that they offer very fast credit increases, as opposed to your traditional banks. And the traditional secure credit cards usually take almost a year for you to actually get a credit increase, or even get your security deposit back and them give you like an actual line of credit. So with that being said, let's talk about the Jasper card a bit. So here's their website. They're gonna give you what you need to know. So what they do offer is a very high credit limit. If right here, as you can see, up to $15,000 credit limit. Now that, again, just like I explained, that's going to depend on your bank transaction history, how much you have in your bank account, what's the average balance you keep, and things like that. So you could see anywhere from as little as $250 to $15,000, which is great. Interest is 15.49% to 24.99%. So you wanna we really don't care too much about the interest right now, because we want credit accounts showing up on our personal credit history. So that's what we care about. You don't necessarily have to use this card for the biggest purchases. You can buy a bag of chips twice a month, and that's all you need to do. There is no annual fee. That's another big thing that I'm seeing with these fintech companies, that traditional banks and secure deposit credit cards have high fees when it comes to the annual fee, and they do offer cash back, where traditionally you don't get those. So those are some of the benefits that you'll see with the fintech companies. And I've been looking, digging deep, trying to find these companies for you guys. Some I've already started with, some I have not, but definitely check them out. So as far as credit inquiry, they do a hard credit check. They do a hard credit check, but again, if you get what was I gonna say? I lost my train of thought. But they do a hard credit check. The only difference is that once you get approved, you know, you just got to do these things in the right format. Now, if you're approved for the lower end of things, you know, it's still good because you're starting somewhere, and they do credit increases. That's you know, that's the main thing that matters. They don't require you know, very high credit. They, like I told you, they lean more towards the bank account more than the credit. So that's, you know, the positive side of things. Yeah, so that's that. They do report to all 3 credit bureaus. So another great thing, that's what they do. They report to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. So those are the actual perks of getting this Jasper card, is that you have a potential to get a high credit limit or credit increases. You don't have to have a great credit score to get approved. They lean more towards the bank account side of things. They don't have any annual fees, and you can actually get cash back, and it will be another great account to add to your credit profile as you're building. So with that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you found what I brought to you today valuable, please share it with somebody that you value. Please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the Smart Money Nation. Share the video, help us grow. I will talk to you guys in the next video. I will leave the link in the description, by the way. Peace.